Hi everybody, Cher here with you. Welcome to my channel. So today I have a Dollar Tree haul that I'd like to share with you. Most of these items are Christmas related. I was so excited to finally get my hands on these items because I really thought that I wasn't going to be able to find them. Everyone else had seemed to have been able to get their hands on them except for me. So super excited. Now I want to share with you a kind of a funny story. I walked in there yesterday and the manager came right up to me and said, "Hey, you're the one that likes all the red truck items, right?" And I said, "Mm-hmm." And she said, "Come with me." So we went to the stock room. She pulled out this box and it was the one that had the wooden red truck with the trailer. I was so excited. So she opened it up for me and let me have first dibs. Moral of the story, get to know your dollar store manager because it really does come in handy when you're looking for things. All right, I also have a few other items. I picked up some awesome things at my favorite local store here in town called Scattered Goods. You guys have seen me haul things from there before. And I picked up one amazing item at Walmart the other day while I was grocery shopping. So let me show you what I got. So I only have one non-Christmas related item, and that is this adorable little sign. I have never seen these before in my store. I think they were pretty new. There were a few different sayings. This is the one that I like the best. So it looks like it's got coffee beans in here, but they're not real, they're just plastic. So I thought this would look really super cute at my coffee station. Okay, so the item I was most excited about and finally got my hands on were these wooden little trucks. Oh my gosh, I've seen so many people doing so many awesome things with these, and they really are super cute. The only thing is you really have to be careful. Make sure you find the ones that aren't all scuffed up. Make sure you get the ones that are actually glued together properly. Some of them are like, they're not perfect. Let's just put it that way. So because I got first dibs of the whole box, I went through each and every one of them and I was able to find 3 that were in really good shape and that were on straight. And anyways, but like I said, just make sure you're a little bit picky when you're picking out your little trucks here. I didn't actually purchase any of the trailers because after I got looking at them, yes, they're cute, but I'm more into the red truck. I'm not really into the trailers, and I just didn't think that I would use them for anything, so I just stuck with the trucks. I was lucky enough to find a couple more of the infinity scarves. I love this pattern, and they are such nice material. I don't know if I'm going to use them for any crafting purposes, but these would be great to tuck in for a little Christmas gift. I'm thinking like teachers or something like that. Anyways, I was glad to come across a few more of these. Now these next items, I actually found the exact same thing at my local Scattered Goods store, but they definitely weren't $1.25. They were about $3 or $4 each for the packages of these little what are they calling these? Ribbon and trim medley. Oh my goodness, what an amazing deal for $1.25, which is what we pay here in Canada. Look at this huge bag of trim pieces, ribbons and lace and all kinds of goodies in here. You could use these for so many things. So I just picked up the kind of white and black bag, and then this one here I thought would be great for Christmas decorating and embellishing. So what an amazing deal. If you see these, make sure you scoop these up for sure. I also came across the adorable little wooden mason jar with the red truck on it. I just picked one of these up. Again, make sure you're kind of picky and choosy. Some of them were not all the greatest as far as quality kind of goes. Some of them were pretty beat up and banged up. So I picked the best one of the bunch, and I absolutely love this. This is gonna look amazing on my little tiered tray, I think, for Christmas. I was super excited to finally come across these. Now, I have never seen these come to our Canadian Dollar Trees before. I've been watching my American friends hauling the little houses and the little people and the trees for the last couple of years. So I'm so happy that our Canadian stores have finally brought this stuff to our stores. And yeah, so I picked up some of these little trees. And I think I got 3 of those, and I picked up a couple of their little miniature figurines. I mainly got this one here for the snowman, and same thing with this one here. Look at the cute little snowman. I just got these 2, and I didn't bother picking up any of the little houses. My store did have them, but you know what? They're plastic. I have lots of other Christmas related little, fairy houses and, all those kind of Christmas village little houses. I just didn't feel the need to pick any of those up. They're really cute and you could do a lot with them. You could repaint them and do all different kinds of things with them, but I just didn't feel like I needed any. But if you're in Canada and you're looking for those kinds of things, they are in our stores. So make sure you head on out. They're gonna go pretty quickly, I think, especially these little things and the little figurines. They're gonna go real fast. So that's everything that I picked up from Dollar Tree. Now I'm gonna move on to Scattered Goods. No surprise here, oh my gosh. I make my own little gnomes, but this guy just kind of spoke to me, and he was only $4, so he had to come home with me. I thought he was just too adorable to leave behind. And the last things I picked up are just these 3 rolls of ribbon. Oh my gosh, look at this. How adorable is that? And I love this plaid. I don't recall ever kind of seeing anything quite like this one before. So these were $1.69, these ribbons here at Scattered Goods. So I thought that wasn't too bad for something a little different than you see anywhere else. And then the last item that I want to share with you is the one that I got at Walmart. Again, not going to be any big surprise here. But oh my gosh, like my store doesn't have hardly any of their Christmas stuff out there. Still very much into Halloween. But I did notice that they had this box of these mugs, and oh my gosh, I had to have one. These were $2.97. I'm not sure what's going on with this Dalmatian dog. To me, it doesn't really go with the whole, I don't know, a lab might have been a better choice. I don't know. But anyway, I'm not a real fan of Dalmatians. So but anyways, I loved this mug. I like that it's like, looks like a mason jar. I think it's really super cute. And for $2.97, it also had to come home with me. So that's everything that I have to share with you guys today. I probably won't be on here again before Halloween. So in case I'm not, happy Halloween. I hope you guys all have an amazing time. Megan and I are going to be carving pumpkins here probably tonight or tomorrow night, and she is going trick-or-treating, I would think probably for her last time with a girlfriend. So kind of nostalgic a little bit. My boyfriend and I are kind of excited to give out candy. We don't usually get a ton of trick-or-treaters at our house, but I put out a bunch of pumpkin lights and stuff, so hopefully they will come. So until next time, I will catch you on the next one. Bye for now, everybody. Happy Halloween.